With just a simple click, you can now generate unlimited 4K high resolution images for your creative arts, brand and packaging, thumbnail and poster designs, educational visuals and diagram, of course, your UI UX prototyping, and if you are an agent that needs precise and of course predictable image workflow, then this video is meant for you. All this has been made possible through Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro. Yes, you heard me right. With Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro, you can generate your crispy, high performing images that you can use for your different desired work. So if you want to learn how to access this unlimited plan on Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro, then watch this video to the very end. This is Fastigist. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hurry up and do so and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out from any of our latest updates. In this tutorial, I'll be going through 14 different image generation to ensure that you understand the nitty-gritty of generating images with the latest Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro. Without any further ado, let's hop in. The link to the website I'll be using, which is higgsfield.ai, is on the description box. So click on it as we do this tutorial, of course, as we learn together. So once you open your Higgsfield, your dashboard will look like mine. You can either click on your image here and locate your Nano Banana Pro, or you can click on any of these models here. Well, I'll click on this image here, then Nano Banana Pro. So the first image we'll be generating today is an image of Mark Zuckerberg in a McDonald's crew uniform with visor. Okay, so without any further ado, we'll click on unlimited. But before we click on unlimited, that is to generate, I want you to look at something here. At the bottom here, you see Nano Banana Pro. We have other models here, but we're working with Nano Banana Pro, which is the latest model. Now you would select your ratio, of course. You can leave it on auto, but I want to work with my 16:9. That's if you're working on landscape, you can choose that. And of course, here we can have our resolution. We have 1K, we have 2K, and we have 4K. But I'll be working with 2K. All right. And here, of course, we have badges. How many images do you want to generate on a go? All right, I'll leave mine for one. And of course, here yours might be showing this unlimited is not yet highlighted, and I want you to highlight. Click on this highlight, and then of course you have unlimited. With this, you can generate as many images as you want to. So I click on generate, and of course you can see that it is processing our image. Boom. This is amazing. In fact, this is beyond amazing. You can see this is Mark, of course. Look at it. This is looking very, 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 very crispy. This is a 2K generation, and this is what you get from Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro. This is amazing. Look at, wow, this is amazing. Well, let's generate the second image. Of course, let's generate the second image. Let's get our information. Let's get rid of this and generate the second image. Before we generate the second image, of course, you can download your image. So for the second image, what we'll be doing is I will be importing an image from our device to transcribe that image from another language to another language. So let me import, click on this plus bar, and of course search for the image, and here is the image. Of course, click on it and it will load, and then I will type what I want. So translate this. Your prompt should be as simple, because with the Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro, it understands your prompt. It doesn't need you to start thinking too much. So with this now, all I have to just do is to, of course, I can change the resolution or anything, but let me just generate. No time. Let's generate. No time. Let's generate. So let's watch and see. I believe this should not take much time. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. As you can see on your screen, of course, it has successfully translated the text on the image to another one. Of course, this is amazing. Let's generate our third image. No time. Let's generate our third image. Import an image, and of course it will show us the backstage. Let's get an image. Okay, let me work with this guy. This image that we're uploading now, we want it to show us the backstage of this shot. That's behind the scene, at the back, what is truly happening. Let me change the resolution to 9:16, and I'll click on unlimited. Click on unlimited, and it will generate. You can see that we have been generating, and it's still generating. We'll keep generating, all thanks to Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro. Boom! As you can see, we have our image set and of course perfect. Wow! Let's expand this and see. Expand and see. This is amazing. This is amazing. In fact, look at these guys. I don't even know where they came from because they were never in the picture. They were never there. But see, look at the character is still there. In fact, look at his legs. So you can see that if you are a creator out there, say no to the stress of thinking of how to start using Photoshop or any other thing out there that is stressing you. With this, look at this is amazing. Look at these guys. This is a reflector. This is a camera. This is in fact, this is a Canon camera. Look at, oh my god, this is amazing. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro. Someone is asking, what is Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro? Well, Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro is a next generation image engine that delivers clean, production ready 2K/4K visuals with far fewer fixes. With Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro, you can generate your images on 4K with zero stress. Take note, for those who subscribe by the end of November, of course, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generation for 1 year. So what are you waiting for? You can get a discount of 45% off if you subscribe at the end of November, which is 27th of November. Please don't wait until this promo is over. All you need to do is to use my promo code, which is ultimate_GA79G. I come again, ultimate_GA79G. The links to Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro is on the description box, and the promo code is also on the description box. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up now, go to the website and ensure you click and subscribe. Now, if you look at this chart, you will see that Higgsfield is the cheapest compared to other AI image generation platforms. Don't wait until you hear close. Now that the opportunity is still open, why not subscribe? Subscribe and then have access to a whole year unlimited Nano Banana Pro generation for 1 year. Yes, Higgsfield is offering that for you. Back to our tutorial. Of course, as you can see, I gave it an instruction and make well, this is nice. Now what I'll be generating next is something that you will love. If you have been thinking of how to generate images for your product and many other things, so let's open the image. Of course, let's open our image and we'll give it a quick instruction. Okay, so I'll click on this image, open the image. So once I upload the image, I'll paste my prompt, of course, and the prompt is simple. I said make an online wardrobe catalog, of course, catalog from this outfit. So I'll click on unlimited and then wait for it to do its job. Boom! This is what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is what amazing. All right, so once you download the image, of course, you can have it on your device. So with this Higgsfield Nano Banana of course Pro, you can do a lot. As you can see. In fact, look at, it didn't just generate the image, but it gave it a name. Like, it gave it a name, added the price to it. This is amazing for those that are doing business. In fact, with this you can save yourself stress from a lot of things. Look at. Oh my god, this is amazing. Come on, shout out to Higgsfield for this amazing update. So let's generate our next image. I'll be generating an image, and of course I'll be putting myself in all the GTA version skin. I don't know how possible it is, but let's see how possible it is. So let's see, put the uploaded image. Okay, so I'll be clicking on generate and let's wait for it. Boom, our image is ready. Hey, This is amazing. You can see this is what I call this amazing. I call this amazing. Look at. So this is something that is very, very lovely. Look at the original image here. Look at the original image here, and look at the generated ones. Come on, these are things that, I mean, people pay thousands of dollars, of naira to get done, and this is what the result I'm getting like in a jiffy. So all I have to do, of course, just like I've always said, download the image, and once you download the image, you are good to go. You can now utilize it for whatever thing you want to use it for. So of course, I'm saving the image now. Save, and yes. So let's download. Let's generate more images. Let's generate more images. Though I won't be generating all the images because there are plenty. And now let me open the. Of course, let me upload the plan. Let's go to download. I believe it's here. Of course, this is the plan. As you can see, this is the plan here. Okay. So once it's downloading now, I will generate, and let's see. So let's turn this to our 16 by 9 because this is a building, so I expect it to be big. So let's click on generate. So let's wait and see. Let's wait in queue. Next to be processing, and of course we can download it. Boom! I said this is what amazing. Are you seeing this? Look how we have here. Let me download this first. So it was able to establish, of course, from this to this, from the plan to the main image. Now look at this. Look at this. If you are a builder or you are into real estate, this will be very good. It will help you to showcase your building to your clients. In fact, I mean, this is things that people pay thousands of dollars to get done, and this is what we're having in, of course, in less than how many minutes. So this is amazing. So I'll be generating the last image because I don't want to keep you here with the 14 images, of course. The last image, of course, will be this one now. For those that are medical practitioners, this will be very important for you. Let's do something very quickly. Let's generate, of course. Let's get the finger. Where's the finger? Let's import this finger here. Say create a fingerprint map of this finger. Let me just change this to of the uploaded finger. All right, so let's click on generate. Wow. Is this not amazing? This is worth subscribing. So what are you waiting for? Look at this. This is something that I would say amazing. Okay, so please don't just stay back and, of course, be asking yourself, how do I get this? How do I get that? Hurry up, use the promo code, of course, which is ultimate_GA79G. That is my promo code. Use it and subscribe and get 65% off discounts as soon as possible. Look at this fingerprint. This is amazing. Very amazing. I mean, amazing. What else can you look for? And just like I said earlier, you can upscale. Yes, you can upscale your image, or you can even animate it. Okay, so you can do all those things. There are a lot of things that you can do on this Higgsfield. Do not limit yourself. There are a lot of things that you can do. In fact, you can do things that if you were told that this thing is possible, you'll be like, is this really possible? Well, it is possible. Of course, this is the end of the tutorial. Of course, just like I promised, I don't want to bore you with a lot of generations. All right, hurry up, subscribe to Higgsfield and gain the access to all this as soon as possible. This is Fastigist. Of course, my name is Ifejam. Of course, Ifejam of Fastigist. I am your tutor for this session. So please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please, why not hurry up, subscribe, and of course, start generating images just like I have been doing, and watch yourself blossom in no time. Yes, and thank you once again to of course, Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro for this golden opportunity that we're giving to everyone out there to gain access to this discount. Of course, 65% off at November 27th. So don't wait until you hear close. Thank you for watching, and of course, I can't wait to to read your comments on this video and your observations and what you want us to treat up next. Thank you very much, and of course, bye bye.